Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Airpods model you have, then pick the correct hook size. Clean both the Airpod and hook with a dry cloth so the adhesive or silicone grips properly. Next, align the hook loop with the Airpod stem, slide the base on carefully until you feel a secure click. Once done, rotate gently to check orientation. Make sure the ear tip faces forward so you can insert the set without twisting. This prevents stress on the connector. You now focus on positioning for stability and sound. Insert the Airpod with the hook into your ear and seat the tip into the concha to establish the primary seal. Then, tuck the hook over the anti-helix and rotate the assembly until the hook rests comfortably behind the ridge. Test the angle so the mic points toward your mouth and the seal remains consistent. Once done, move your head and do a short jog in place to verify nothing shifts. Adjust angle if you feel pressure. You finish by checking audio quality, call clarity, and that automatic wear sensors work. If a sensor misreads, reseat the Airpod and clean contact points. If the fit still feels loose, switch to a smaller hook or apply a thin adhesive strip at the hook base for extra grip. Use mild adhesive only. If you hear distortion or feel pain, stop and inspect for damage. One key troubleshooting tip: if sound cuts out, remove hook and reconnect Bluetooth to rule out pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.